The bypass road along the Manari Creek adjacent to the Linden-Latham Road has been partially washed away due to torrential rainfall. InfoHub spoke with the regional engineer who said repairs will be undertaken as soon as the weather becomes favorable. More in this report.
The now impassable bypass road that extends over the Manari Creek was being used as construction of the $160 million Manari concrete bridge proceeds. The bypass road faced the brunt of Monday evening's torrential rainfall, which resulted in a massive cavity along the roadway. Regional engineer attached to the Ministry of Public Infrastructure, Raphael Lewis, explains.
With the bypass being impassable at this moment, vehicles are currently using the road through Napi, which would take you to the road in Latham by the rodeo ground.
Noting the rain to be a hindrance, the regional engineer said works to repair the bypass will commence as soon as the weather becomes favorable. Regional Executive Officer Carl Parker told InfoHub the Manari Bridge is expected to accommodate light vehicular traffic in 2 weeks as a contractor moves ahead with laying the bridge's deck on Friday, June 12. Motorists and pedestrians are urged to observe all safety signs when traversing the area. Shaquille Bourne for InfoHub.